The one only RK Sabha Learning Channel. But before starting, I think I would like to read a very warm and pleasant good respected sir, honorable ma'am, and good evening to all.
Good evening.
So now it's time to introduce myself. My name is Sakshar Sir, standing in front of you all. Next, once again, I am here as guide my social science chapter first, which is all about the social science meaning, scope, and the importance. So it's not from my book; it's from the another private school's books that I am going to tell you. So the first thing that I want to tell you about the meaning of the social science. So as you can see in the slide also that the social science studies human society and the relationship, which just means that studying our society and our communities, that how people lives and how they communicate together and their relationship. Now if we talk about the scope of the social science, so as you can also see that it helps us understand how people live together, social rules and the community. We know very well that if we are living anywhere, so there should be some of the rules which we have to follow while living there, just like we are living in the society. So we have some of the rules and regulations that we must follow while living there, and it's necessary to follow. And if we talk about the importance of the social science, so it helps understand society and itself, we can say the problems encourage critical thinking. So whenever we are living anywhere, so on that time we will learn about the basic things, just like their we can say that how they are living their culture and their some of the things which are very important in that society. So we will definitely learn these type of things. So these are come in the we can say critical thinking and all our culture. And now let's move away. I would like to tell you about the main aspects of the social science. First is all about the problem and the relationship, that how people interact in daily life and includes family life, social we can say social custom. So we know very well that we all if we are living anywhere, so on that time we will just communicate. If we cannot live without communicating with anyone, if we are having the need of anything, if we are having the need of any resource, so we will demand with someone and we will demand with our neighbor. So on that time we are communicating with them, we are having the relationship with them, and we definitely it's necessary to communicate and have a better relationship with our neighbors and the culture and the tradition as well as the language and festival. Just like if you are living in the Punjab, so definitely after living 1 month, after living the 6 months there, you will definitely got to know that their language, how they speak, how they communicate, and what are the culture they follow there. And in the next thing I would like to tell you about the system and the institution. So firstly I will like the structure organized society. So friends, we know very well they are the organized thing everywhere. We know very well they are the 4 direction, east, west, north and south. So similarly like the 4 different directions, they are the different peoples living in the different direction. If we talk about the we can say that if we talk about the North India, so they are the different communities of the peoples are living there. Their languages are different, their traditions are different, their clothes are different, even their food, not food, but their clothes and all that things are different. So by this thing we can easily learn one thing, that all the peoples are having their different culture, their different tradition, which they are following, and they respect their culture. And now let's move on, and I would like to tell you about the main disciplines of social science. So first, there are not any kind of discipline we must follow, but they are in the form of the discipline. There are the 4 types of the social science. First is all about the geography. So firstly the word geo means our earth and the graphy means the study of anything. So the things combines and form that the study of our earth, which means the geography, in which we have to study about earth, our land and all that thing which we have to study inside the geography. And the second thing is all about our history. So after listening the word history, we all can easily understand that history just means our past, and the most difficult thing in the history comes, which is all about remembering the dates, that when the who ruler ruled there and all that thing, which are very difficult while studying the history. But it's not we can say a lots of difficult. Only we have to understand something, then definitely we will be able to become the master of anything. And now the third thing is all about the political science. So political science just means that studying our nature, our society, our people, as I have told you in the meaning of the social science. So that how our rules and regulations are made, what about our constitution, what about our fundamental duties, all that things comes inside the political science. And the political science also tells us that how to live in a better community and how to communicate with people. And in the last I would like to tell you something about the economics. So economics means about our business and all the some of the factors which are just like our monetary resources and the physical effort used by any one person. And just like we are getting the resources, so from where the resources are coming, if we are getting the clothes, so what is the process of the clothes to fully completed. So all that things comes inside the economic. So this was something about my first chapter of the social science. Thank you, and nice ahead.